Oh boy, look at the mess. What you got there? Do you like that one? You like it? Uh-oh. Pick it up. Busy. Anthony. What is that? What is that? You like that one? Oh no, don't put it in there. That's dirty. Don't go there. Close it. Close the door. Thank you. Close that door. Close it. Thank you. Thank you. So sweet. Oh, thank you, my love. He's being busy today. Oh boy. Say hi to Auntie Lulu. Say hi, Anthony. He's just too busy right now. He's being curious today. Yeah. Anthony. You want to share? Do you want to share? You want to share? Oh, thank you, honey. Thank you. You're sweet. You're so sweet.